In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Drive. Whether you're accessing it on a computer or a mobile device, Google Drive offers a seamless way to store and manage your files online. Let's dive into how you can make the most of this powerful tool. First, let's talk about accessing Google Drive. You have a few options here. If you're on a computer, the most straightforward way is to go to drive.google.com through your web browser. Here, you'll find an interface that's both intuitive and easy to navigate. For those who prefer having their files directly accessible on their desktop, you can download the Google Drive app for PC. This app essentially creates a dedicated folder on your computer, mirroring the files you have stored in the cloud. For those using a smartphone or tablet, you'll want to download the Google Drive app, available for both iOS and Android. The mobile app provides a user-friendly experience, allowing you to manage and access your files on the go. With these three options, you can choose the method that best suits your workflow and preferences. Now that you know how to access Google Drive, let's move on to uploading and creating files or folders. Once you're logged in on the web or have installed the desktop app, you'll notice a new button prominently displayed. Clicking this button opens up a range of options, allowing you to create new documents, spreadsheets, slideshows, forms, and more right from within Google Drive. This feature is particularly handy when you need to start a new project or document without opening any additional applications. For those times when you already have files or folders on your device that you want to store in the cloud, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy to upload them. On the web interface, you can simply drag and drop files directly into your browser window, and they'll automatically begin uploading to your drive. This method is great for quick uploads, allowing you to store files without much fuss. If you're using the desktop app, uploading files is just as simple. All you need to do is drag and drop files into the designated Google Drive folder on your computer. The app will instantly sync these files with the online version of your drive, ensuring you have access to them anywhere, anytime. In conclusion, with these simple steps, you should now be able to navigate Google Drive with ease, empowering you to manage and store your files efficiently. Whether you're using a web browser, desktop app, or mobile device. Remember, the key to leveraging Google Drive is consistent organization and keeping your files updated across all platforms. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore the many features Google Drive has to offer.